Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my older sister Alyona's makeup. As none of you guys may know, she's now living with us, which means it is time to mess with her makeup. Just kidding, she told me to, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom and Alyona's stuff is like right over here, so I'll get that thing going. Here are her brushes. It's like this little pack thing that you have to unroll. So, yeah. Yeah. For brushes, I have to say now, they seem a lot like paint brushes, you know, like that flat texture that it has. That's what I feel like this has, but hopefully the value is better than what it looks like. Mascara. I think I already have mascara on, but I'll take it off anyway. And then here, oops, it's her makeup box, and I think she just has eyeshadow in it. So this is actually another brush. It's brown, but it's super hard, and it's like almost, I feel like if I put it on my eye, it'll be super uncomfortable. Going for this row right here, so all of these, because it's natural and stuff, you know? So let's get started.
I'm like a one-hit wonder. I do the show once, so take a number. Lightning strike without all the thunder. Hold your breath, you about to go under. I know the game, I make the rules. And if you show up, expect to lose. This is the fun kids playground. This is the one-hit takedown.
You're on your own, so keep your head down. You're on your own, you're on your own, so keep your head down. You're on your own, so keep your head down. You're on your own, you're on your own, so keep your head down.
Keep your head down. Now drop it, we can